We are done.
Will you not sing before I play?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hip, hip, hip! Hooray! 5 bossa for Debbie. Bossa, 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 bossa. I gotta blow.
Okay, so happy birthday to me.
Okay. Yeah.
More billions.
Yes, sir.
So quick OOTD, I'm actually on my way to the airport club in Abuja. So first, I have my wristwatch from having, and then rings, and we have this denim jacket that we wear if I like get cold on the plane, and we have this bag, bodysuit is Zara. My shoes are from Primark. My shorts, I don't know, I think my mom got me this shirt. But yeah, this is the outfit. While I wait to Abuja, Mary's playing right now, so
Someone that's sitting in front of you, please be mindful of activities around where you have your
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different.
touchdown. Come to find out, I forgot my gold jewelry in Lagos, like the bangles, rings, and also the earring I got, which is really annoying. So I need to look for a way to order another one, and hopefully I get it able tomorrow. So yeah.
And go round, even though you got a gap, I could pretend you was my man.
So I just landed in Abuja for the very first time, and I'm excited. And tomorrow is my birthday.
Wow, what?
Near me, get myself caught in your crossfire. You a wild one, and I'm waiting in you like it's cool. Water like it's cool when you pull up, pulled up with a new, and it's not all that I know is it was inside me. They recognize you. Please don't deny me.
This place needs to feel like home in 0.05 seconds. So I'm about to unpack and arrange. My man has some of his things in the wardrobe, but yeah, it's still enough space for me. Okay, I think I want all of my things on this side. Teaser time. How do I open this? Why do I feel like this thing is turned upside down? Okay, let me see. Ooh.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys pretty faces so.
It's officially my birthday. You guys, I'm so happy. I I feel like my voice is echoing because I'm in the bathroom, so I'm just going to open the door. But if I open the door, it doesn't look as nice, but I just think, okay. I'm so happy. I feel so blessed. Like, I'm so grateful to God. This is the best birthday I've ever had. Like, I don't know if I've told you guys before, but I've always had bad birthdays, like back to back to back. If you had told me 48 hours ago that I'll be celebrating my birthday in Abuja, I'll call you a liar. A freaking liar. But yeah, we're here, and you know, we're going to turn up. We're going to fuck things up. So I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to brush my teeth. We'll do skincare, and I'll dress for a while before I start getting ready for like hair and makeup. And we're doing everything together today. Like, we're spending the whole day with me. I hope I don't forget. Start vlogging. But yeah, I'm really excited. So let's get into it. Drop a comment and wish me happy birthday in the comments. Like, dog, wish me happy birthday.
Popular, born to be popular.
How do we bring it out? No, we have to bring the cake. See?
Yeah, I need to look at it. Happy birthday.
So what else?
Make a wish and lay your invisible candle. Right.
But in my space that I need it, baby, I'm late, but I take a check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a for Percocet, but no, my baby poppin' that out of room.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so far ahead? I've been thinking about forever. When I'm like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house, I could sell you an idol. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not?
I forgot to wear primer today while doing my makeup. I was so worried because I knew my makeup to last for a very long while, and this is how much shine I have. So you want to make sure you watch the makeup tutorial. I've had this makeup on since I think 2 p.m. or so. My mom is tired of me, don't worry. When I tell you I'm exhausted, well, thank God birthday is finally done. I had the best birthday ever, and I'm just so grateful to God and to my man for making sure I was happy today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog to the end. Make sure you subscribe